Hi everyone, welcome to my nookery. Welcome to all my new subscribers, and welcome to all my long-term subscribers. Thank you all so much for being here today. And today, being the first Tuesday of August, we have a giveaway. So what have I got for you today? Well, I've got three 100-gram balls of Peyton's Smoothie DK. It is a shade number 02019, and it is a 100 grams, 200 meters, so that's about 220 yards. It's 100% acrylic, very soft. Your knitting needles, you can machine wash cold, do not bleach, do not tumble dry, dry flat on us in the shade, and do not iron. And so you've got 3 100, and you've got enough to make a hat and a scarf set guys with that. And then not only do you get that, you get a little notepad and pen. You get a little container with stitch markers. You get a 4mm crochet hook, and you also get 2 tapestry needles in this really handy dandy container, which is a screw top, which is brilliant. So what I need from you to do is read the rules and regulations in the description box below. I'll just go through it quickly. This is worldwide, guys, it is worldwide, but I am not responsible for any custom duty tax at your end. You've got to be 18 years and over. You must be subscribed to my channel, and I think that's all. But have a read of the rules and regulations in as set out. Oh, and another thing, this is, YouTube has got no affiliation with this. This is all paid for with my own money. So today's the 2nd of August, and the giveaway will go through until the 26th of August, and the winner will be announced on the 30th of August. So guys, the word that I want from you today is Peyton's. P-A-T-O-N-S. I'll put it here. Peyton's. P-A-T-O-N-S. So, good luck everybody. If you wish to share this giveaway video out with your friends, you're more than welcome. And the more the merrier, guys. The more the merrier. What else I wanted to say? I wanted to say something. If you are new here, welcome, and if you would like to consider joining my channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon with the little notification, and you will get notified then of any videos and any lives that I have going on. I usually do about 2-3 videos a week, and I do a live on a Wednesday. So that's all from me for today. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye.